Hey Christian, this is Joe. Today I'm going to talk to you about 3 things that you can do to make your website better than your competitors and get some more customers in your door. You're probably wondering why I do this and what I get out of it. I found that most business owners don't have the time to learn how the internet will benefit them and their business because they're too busy running their business. So I send over a free attack plan, and most of the time they contact me asking me for more help. If you like what you see at the end of this video, you can do the same. If not, you want to take the free attack plan and use it yourself, good on you. I'm going to talk about 3 things that help boost your website above your competitors. The first one is citation. That's your name, address, and phone number. The more you have that on different websites, the more you're going to rank in the Google Map Pack. The more content you have on your home page and your back pages, and the more backlinks you have, better backlinks than your competitor, that's how you're going to rank organically. So if we go over here, type this into your Google search bar, this will pop up. This is the Google Map Pack. These guys have a lot of citations, name, address, phone number, and different websites. To beat them, all you have to do is just get more citations. Down here is the organic. Right here is your top competitor. If you go to their website, you'll see that they have a lot of content, close to probably 1,000 words. You want to have between 1,500 and 2,000. That's what Google likes to see. If they have 1,000, you can easily beat them out by 1,500. And they have a lot more back pages. Each back page was a little less than 500, so if you want to beat them out there, Google suggests 500 to 700 words. You had not that many. On your homepage you had about 200, so we can definitely work on that. Your back pages, you need more back pages. That's for content, pretty cut and dry. For citations, this is your competitor right here. They have 3 citations and you have 15, so good work there. You're beating them on that. So that would be, so if you get your content better than them and you get your backlinks better than them, you can easily outrank them and start getting their customers. Let's go to backlinks. Backlinks are popularity contests, basically. The more websites you have with backlinks leading back to your website, the more popular Google thinks you are. So if you see here, this is your competitor. They have 19, you have 3. So definitely can beat them out by 19 is not that much at all. So we can go out and get some more backlinks, better backlinks than them. We can get all of these numbers up and outrank them pretty easily. I also want to show you something else. It's called keywords. If you go up here, type in this right here to search, you can see that about 720 people each month search up this keyword. Down here is pretty much the same thing, just a little different, but also 720. So you want to throw these keywords into your content on your website and get your website ranking for more keywords. If you go over here, you see you have 2 keywords: Bayside Roofing, Bayside Roof Restorations. With those 2 keywords, you're bringing in about 1 person a month. Now if you go to your competitor, they have about 72 keywords in their website content, bringing in about 87 a month. So it's definitely doable. They're not beating you in all aspects, and they're not beating you by a whole lot, honestly. So definitely doable. Let's go back to your website. So that's basically it for this video. Pretty cut and dry. If you need more help with anything, you can contact me on Facebook. You can contact me at 515-400-3308, or you can email me at metrodesignsm@gmail.com. If you want to just take this video and apply it yourself, like I said, good on you. But if you need some help because you're busy, I understand. I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.